Today, I want to work on a design that has been really popular lately, probably because of the season. Buyers seem to be loving anything with that spring vibe right now. So I'm starting in the stock templates and I'll just type love in bloom. Hmm, I think I'll go with this one. All right, so the first thing I usually like to do is make the design a little more mine. These templates are already beautiful, but if you're going to publish something, it's important to add your own touch. So I'm going to delete a few elements first. Not because they're bad, I just want some space to experiment and add new things later. I'll also rearrange the layout a bit. And honestly, this is one of my favorite parts of working with templates. You don't have to start from scratch, which saves a lot of time, but you still get the freedom to reshape the design however you want. All right, now that we cleared a bit of space, let's add some new elements. Since the theme is love and bloom, I want to keep everything very spring-like. Let me check the illustrations, maybe some wildflowers. Love these. Right now, I'm just playing around with the placement, trying to figure out how I want them to sit in the design. Sometimes I move things around a few times until it feels balanced. Okay, I like this direction. Now I'll just duplicate the element and place it on top to build up the composition a little more. But now that I'm looking at it, the text color doesn't really fit anymore. It worked with the original template, but with the flowers, it feels a bit off. So let's swap that out for something else. I think I'll also add a background color just to tie everything together and give the design a bit more warmth. Sometimes the best edits are just small adjustments. If you enjoyed designing with me today, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. And thank you so much for all the support. We really appreciate it. See you in the next one.